Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to create an account on Web Messenger. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to create an account on Web Messenger. Maybe because you want to contact someone who is using Bip, so you want to talk with him or her, so that's why you create an account on it. Or maybe you have heard a lot about the Bip app, so you just want to create an account on it. Or it could be any other reason for you. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, we have to make sure that you have already installed a BIP app, and if you have not installed it, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. Now just simply tap on its icon to open the BIP Messenger. There you can see it is greeting us by just saying welcome to BIP. So to create an account, you just have to simply click on this blue option, or you could say green option, this one. After that, you have to enter your contact number. Make sure you enter the correct phone number because it will verify you by just sending a code on it, and make sure that contact number is in use and right now you have that mobile in which you have that contact number. Before, you have to select the country. From all these countries, make sure you select the country in which you live, and after that just enter the contact number, and then you have to take that verification code that is sent to your contact number and you have to enter here to verify your account. After that, it will take you to your second step. Now, as we are on the second step, what you have to do here is that first you have to upload your profile picture by just tapping on it, and you have to upload your name and upload your bio or description. If you click on this profile icon, it will ask you if you want to take a photo at the moment or if you want to select a picture from your mobile phone gallery. You can choose any one of these options, or either you can just skip the profile picture and can upload later on. And here you just have to simply tap your name. You can either post your real name, your fake name, or maybe whatever comes to your mind. And in the bio, you can type whatever you want to type. And if you want to leave it for right now, you can leave it and can type it later. Here you can type whatever you think, and after that just simply click on this blue icon, complete. After that, it will just take a while and it will create your account. As your account is ready, now you can upload a picture, or maybe you can just skip it. You can upload your bio, can customize it according to your preferences. There are multiple options available all over the screen. You can go to every option and can see what options are there and can use it for any purpose. Whatever the reason you made this account, now you can perform that purpose. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can create an account on Web Messenger. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also, make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.